welcome back to my third video on this Estee Lauder first impression unboxing fragrance haul. The first two videos, I'm gonna leave the link under the description box of this video if you want to check it out. My first video was the unboxing. My second video was smelling these mini beauties for the first time from the I'm going to be trying or smelling this beautiful Belle, also from Estee Lauder, and I'm going to be smelling for the first time this beautiful Magnolia. I have two. If you watch my first video, you know why I have two. If not, you can go and check it out so you can find out why I have two travel size. I'm gonna open only one. So, and I also going to try this Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess cream, body cream. This is a decadent body cream, Bronze Goddess. And I'm also going to be smelling for the first time the Bronze Goddess Estee Lauder Eau de Parfum. And I'm also going to be trying for the first time this Bronze Goddess Nuit Eau de Parfum. I'm also going to be trying for the first time the Bronze Goddess of Fresh Skin Scents. I also have two. If you haven't watched my video number one, you can go check it out and find out why I have two fragrance. I have two bottles of the same fragrance. Boo. So I'm gonna open only one. If I like it, I'm gonna keep this one as a backup because they were very, very discounted. I think I bought these under $40. Both of them. So I don't know if Estee Lauder will change the formula or reformulate these skin scents. These are very popular fragrances, and I don't know if it's going to be a new formula on the market soon, maybe after the summer, because this was very discounted. So that's why I got two. I didn't know I already had purchased one. So accidentally purchased another one because they were very, very discounted. So, but I'm only gonna open one today, and I'm gonna keep my other one as a backup. And I think that's it. So let's begin smelling perfumes. Okay, the next fragrance I'm going to try is this beautiful Magnolia. This is beautiful Magnolia. What? What is this? Oh my God. All the time I thought this was a travel spray. Beautiful Magnolia travel spray. No puedo creerlo. This is a hand cream. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I feel better now. Here is the travel spray. This it is the travel spray perfume. No, it's a hand cream. I think they messed up. It's a hand cream. Oh my God. They sold me the wrong thing. I specifically asked for a travel size of the beautiful Magnolia, and they gave me another hand cream. Now I have two hand cream of the beautiful Magnolia. Well, let's smell the hand cream then. Vamos a oler la crema de mano. Ay, ay, ay. I feel so dumb. But they are more, I think, because I asked for a travel spray of the beautiful Magnolia perfume. And they gave me a hand cream. I don't know, maybe they have a wrong in their system. Ay, vamos a oler beautiful Magnolia hand cream. Oh my God, I feel really bad about it. I feel blind. Well, it's a blind buy anyway. It smells very youthful. That's why I wanted the perfume, because sometimes in the morning you just take a shower and you go out and you have your travel size and you spray a little bit and then you smell clean. The hand cream is, oh wow, I'm really happy to have 2 hand cream now of the beautiful Magnolia. This smells perfect for a hand cream. I don't know how this will smell in a perfume. I will buy it later. It smells good. It smells like cucumbers. Very fresh. This is the perfect size to carry on. I can bring it in my purse or in my backpack. It's very small, and when I go out with my husband or to an event, it's very easy to bring because it's small and it smells really good. I do recommend this hand cream. It's very moisturizing. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. Ay. Now I have 2. I'm glad I have 2. Oh my God, let's continue. The next fragrance I'm going to try, and I hope this is a fragrance, is this beautiful Belle. Yeah, and the packaging says Eau de Parfum spray. Let me go wash my hands because I don't want to mix the smell of the beautiful Magnolia with the beautiful Belle. Ooh. Wow, bottle is very feminine and beautiful. Look. Oh, my fingers are all over now. Beautiful Belle by ESTEE Lauder is described as a romantic, carefree, and irreverent fragrance. Fragrance family is floral amber. Top notes are lychee, rose petals, mimosa. Middle notes are orange flower, gardenia, tuberose. Base notes are orris root, blush suede accord, marzipan musk, and ambrox. So we are going to try this for the first time. I never smelled it before because I am not a fan of flower fragrances, and I know ESTEE Lauder is very famous for their flower fragrances. Qué bonita la tapadera. I like the cap and the bottle. I like it. So let's smell it. Ay, it's big. Smells a little bit like beautiful Magnolia, the cream. Oh wow, this is a beautiful floral fragrance. I'm gonna leave you the notes. Probably I'm going to leave a voiceover or the notes under the description section. Oh wow, I don't know if it has vanilla, but I feel a little bit of vanilla. This is very floral. It smells like white flowers. And also, it's not that fresh, but it's sweet. On paper, it smells delicious. I want to spray this fragrance all over me. This is a beautiful floral fragrance. It's like a mixture, to my mind, it's like a mixture of white flowers and yellow flowers. I may be wrong, but It's a very beautiful bouquet of white flowers and yellow flowers. That's what it comes to my mind. This is a beautiful flower fragrance that is all flowers. But I like it. I'm happy I have this fragrance. I really wanted to smell the beautiful magnolia. Ah. I'm happy. I love this one. Even if it's floral, it has something in there that is beautiful, but it's strong. It is a very strong fragrance. But when I smell this, I imagine a bouquet of yellow and white flowers plus a tea with the sugar or honey, or no honey, but any type of maybe I do my teas with not with sugar but with agave syrup, and then I put the agave syrup to the tea and then I mix it, and that smell of that tea, like flowers tea or peach tea, that's what it comes to my mind when I smell this fragrance. I hope you're not confused. But this is very floral and I want to spray it all over, but I can't right now. I'm gonna wait. I like it. Let me write down the name. But it's very strong. It is a very floral, a strong floral fragrance. It's very strong. If you don't like floral fragrances, you probably won't like it. I don't like flower fragrances that much, but I like this one and I won't return it or I won't give it away. I like it for me. Okay, this one less. So let's try one more. Let me smell my coffee. That beautiful Belle fragrance is very strong, but it's very delicious. And I need to clear my nose. Okay, let's go to the next fragrance. Now we are going to smell, what do you think? We are going to smell Bronze Goddess Nuit. Bronze Goddess Nuit. I think Nuit means night in French. It's Bronze Goddess, Night Bronze Goddess. That's what I think. And this is an eau de parfum from ESTEE Lauder, so let's open it. Fragrance notes are bergamot essence, pepper, ylang ylang, salted coconut, jasmine sambac, night blooming orchid, dark tonka, cashmere good, and ambrox. I don't know the notes of this fragrance because I bought it, I blind bought it, so I didn't want to inquire about the notes because I like them to be a surprise and smell it without knowing anything, so I can recreate in my mind the smell of the fragrances and see what I can recognize. Like I have mentioned before, I'm not an expert fragrance reviewer. I'm just a consumer and a fan of beauty products, and I love to do my reviews. I like to tell you if I like them and if I don't like them. So I'm more of a beauty enthusiast. Okay, and I like to share my experiences. I'm not a fragrance expert. If you want to know more of fragrances from a perfect fragrance reviewer, you probably will find a lot here on YouTube. I'm not an expert, but I can tell you my honest opinion on all the products I review. Ooh, look at this beauty. I love the packaging. Look at the cup. This detail is very nice. Bronze Goddess Nuit comes in a eau de parfum concentration. It is described as a radiant, seductive, enticing. Fragrance family is luminous amber floral. This is a feminine fragrance and it was launched in the year 2022. Bronze Goddess Nuit explores the depth of desire as the sun sets on a private island's paradise. This detail, blue and golden, wow. Suggested use is a spray all over your body whenever you want to bring on the night. They do recommend to spray this fragrance at nighttime for a date night under the sky. This packaging is nice. I like the golden with blue. I cannot wait to smell it and tell you what I can perceive of this fragrance. Let's not wait any longer and let's smell it. I can smell a little bit of coconut. Oh wow, this fragrance is very decadent. I can smell a little bit of coconut. But it's not just coconut. This one probably has coconut water in it. I don't feel this fragrance creamy, but to me, it's a very elegant summer fragrance. I think this fragrance can be a very good nighttime fragrance when you're on vacation. Perfect for a summer night date. This smells really good. At least the opening when I spray it in the air. Oh wow. It's very decadent. Oh wow, this fragrance is really good. I like it. I think I made a good choice purchasing the full bottle of this fragrance, and this was the last one on the store. I can imagine a girl with a mini skirt, not that mini, and those long legs and a nice blouse, long hair, wearing this fragrance. Smells really nice. It is a goddess fragrance. I'm happy with this, with my purchase. I am definitely happy with this purchase, and I'm gonna be wearing this in summer. I don't know how it will smell on my skin. I will give you a full review on this fragrance in the future after I wear it. Because right now I am in love, especially for a date night on vacation, or any occasion during summer. I love it. I think this is the name is it suits the fragrance perfectly, because it doesn't smell fresh like a freshy like during the day fragrance. It's more like an afternoon and night fragrance, but you can wear it anytime, but it's more suitable like for night. But it's not that strong, but it smells it also doesn't smell quiet. It's not a quiet fragrance, but it smells really good. I love it. I'm happy. The next fragrance will be the Bronze Goddess Eau de Parfum. This is the Eau de Parfum. The Nuit was also Eau de Parfum, and this is 1.7 fluid ounces, 50 ml. The Nuit. The regular Bronze Goddess Eau de Parfum is 3.4 ounces, so this is bigger. 100 ml, and this is 50 ml, so it's half. This is smaller. So this is the big bottle of the Bronze Goddess Eau de Parfum.